We just arrived, Honey Bear by the Sea in Gold Beach. This is their brand new section over here. It's very nice. 50 amp pull-throughs, and got Ruby charging, because once in a while she just don't make it if they don't charge her up. There you go. We're all settled. Here's the lodge. We're gonna go check it out. So the lodge used to be the check-in office, but they just moved that to just across the street, the green roofed one. Alright, this used to be the check-in. Now it looks like mail. Oh, yeah. They're kind of changing some stuff up here.
This is pretty nice.
It's a nice lodge. A little sitting area. All right, in the upstairs of the lodge, I got ping pong, fireplace, billiards table. I have a couple of games for folks. Nice little seating area, like it used to be a cafe almost, it looks like. Oh yeah, this little porch. They got some games and puzzles. You can look out and see everything nice. Oh, here's their library. Little nook for the kids. That's a jigsaw. Nice. Ice, $4 a bag. $10 a bundle for wood. All right, here's the laundry room. $2 to wash. Looks like $1.50 to dry. My little folding table. Very nice. Cheapest laundry I've seen so far. All right, here the bathroom. Looks like they got 4 stalls and then 2 showers. Pretty nice. All right, so this white portion is the men's and women's. In the middle on the left is the laundry room. They have a cross right here in the middle of their little section. Nice. Oh.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah, I like the lodge across the way too.
Yeah.
The upstairs is nice.
It is a nice spot to hang out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were in the
All right, this older section. It still looks nice and clean. They got a lot of spots. These ones here, pretty nice looking. Kind of like our new section. Just have those pavers. Those pavers are hard to situate your levelers on. It's not our favorite, but this side,
Must be a lot of deer right here.
yeah, this side has nice asphalt pads. Look at this site. This is like a pull through, and you open up your door and you can see that water right there every morning. What site number is this one? Let's see if we can. Looks like site number 18. Yep, number 18. Pull through. Beautiful beach view. And this one's a little smaller, but they too have a little beach view. There's a little duck pond over here. There's site 16. And you got, it's 30 amp water sewer, but look at this. You're like right on the corner. You got the whole area. Plus you can look out at the ocean. This looks like the tent site area. It's nice and open. Picnic tables, fire pits. Very nice. Alright, so they have several of these little dog pans around. Take your dog in there and do his business. Pretty nice. Alright. If you reserve Site 120, this is your private dog pen. So it's a pull-through with a private dog pen. Alright, this is the original section, and we have a playground. We have an open field. Looks like they have a fishing pond there. It's really shaded down in here. Look at that. We're driving over to Gold Beach, the actual town, because we're staying on the outskirts. Look how pretty the beach is. I love it. Alright, we're coming up on the Rogue River Bridge. Looks like they have a bunch of homeless folks living here on this side. Anyway, this is a pretty famous bridge. It's really pretty. Then you got the view of the little inlet, and this is the Rogue River heading up that way. Hi. Did you like and subscribe? Thanks!